guys? Sorry if you guys can't hear me. It's very noisy in my car. Sorry if you guys can't see me. This lighting sucks. We ain't got no lighting here. But right now, we're actually heading to a meet here locally that Sheepy Belt is throwing. So I got a phone call, a little heads up. My little brother, he's doing some towing, and kind of gave me a little inside ins on it. So I figured I'd go ahead and attend it, take my all-wheel drive EK, see what people think about it, see if anybody notices, and honestly just go out there and see what this is about. I really want to just have fun tonight, chill. I got my wife following me back there in the tundra just in case, and hopefully today is a good day or a good night. So I heard a group is showing up there, and yeah, hopefully it's a good event. I'm just cruising there. I'm not trying to haul ass. I do have an issue right now that, again, we're slowly fixing and trying to figure out. I have currently an oil pressure that is reading 98 pounds of pressure, and it is not supposed to be reading that, if you guys know. So I'm just taking it easy. I called driver B, my homie, and I also called Dana to see what happens, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and see what it's all about. Out here, Ferraris. Two Ferraris. And then you already got over here SR CRX, imported from Japan. Then you got 6'2" Luis, Hellcat.
Can't be more in it than the motherfucking middle.
So fucking chaotic in there.
Too many people.
Huh?
We got
Yeah. We walked in, walked
too
out.
much people.
Everyone's in your bubble.
Love that. Yeah, I would. Yeah.
Good cars, but
A lot of Lamborghinis, a lot of Ferraris. Isaiah and them jumped through themselves in through the doors. They snuck in, and they were trying to get the signature, and Cruz didn't pop up. They're like, oh, they're not. He's not here. I was like, good boys, we taught you well. Sneak in.
Yeah, because they came like 12 cars deep.
We got Oblivion here, YouTuber.
Famous guy right there.
Famous guys, you know.
Is it the one I showed you on stream? I used it on stream.
One day I'd like to be famous too. Homeboy fanned you now over the car. Too many exotics.
They should go to San Diego or something like that, number around there.
It's too hot out here. Yeah, the cops are here, but I think he has permission. Okay. That's why the cops haven't showed up.
It's all-wheel drive? Damn, that's clean. How much power does this one make? That's clean, bro. Yeah, no, I think turbo. Yeah, it's like a small one. Oh, this one's all-wheel drive too? I see the all-wheel drive. Look at it. That's
It's like, yeah, I mean, it's like the pussy being
yeah, it is. What'd you just say? A pussy BMW all-wheel drive.
Don't get me wrong, I'm always got
Yeah. It is what it is. But at the manual, see, but that's not that bad.
I am pussy shit like this.
Yeah, see, all that. Real driver. Real driver. Nice car. Badass car.
Look at that.
So got an issue, as you guys seen. Got was Hellcat Luis earlier. I didn't record any more of that. We were leaving, and I got a little happy footed, and I ended up doing a pull launch, and I knew something was wrong with the car. When we came over here, I already stated, remember the oil pressure. There's something else that was just a funny feeling, and we ended up pretty much breaking the rear axle. I mean, it is what it is, and I think he has a video, so let's see if he can show it.
Somewhat.
Well, you can't see it, but I'll see if I can add it into the thing. But yeah, it is what it is.
Get the flashlight to Isaiah. Isaiah, come help me real quick.
Give me the flashlight.
He has it.
Oh, you have flashlight?
No, grab the other. Oh, that one.
Axle obliviated. Well, it's actually so good. I just gotta put the bearings on, but for the time being, we're gonna cut this off, and I'm gonna lock it back in for now. So, sorry, chat. I didn't get you guys' video, but. Chat, look at me. The new goddamn shoes. I took my J's off because I did not want to destroy my J's.
Excuse me, ma'am, your husband just broke an axle. How do you feel? Care to comment?
No.
No comment? Yeah.
Stopped over the boot, took it off already. So that's out for the C-clip. So right now we're gonna leave it the way it is. I'm gonna wrap it up, put it in my truck, and get back home. So this is why we're gonna run the car. No more axle in the back. We're gonna lift it back home and just literally just chill. I ain't fucking around right now anymore. So yeah, see you guys back at the house then. Alrighty guys, so we're back home. It's like midnight already. Kids are asleep, tired. The other one's not. Wants to be up still. And yeah, it was a cool little night. Tried to get some runs on the freeway with some of the guest stars that were there that didn't want to pop out, but nobody wanted to run it. I did a little pull, as you guys seen. Axles 1, slime ball 0. So I guess I gotta modify my long axles to fit, because my wife doesn't want me to spend no more money on this car. So that's what we're gonna be doing hopefully here soon. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please like, subscribe, let me know what you guys think, and let me know what you guys think about the launch, because hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I don't know if it's that good of a video because it was recorded on a potato phone apparently, so hopefully it came out good, guys. But with that being said, guys, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Till next time.